Take a ride in the 2019 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, electronic stability control, heated front seats, power windows. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.